Hi everyone, so I've purchased a brand new Brother CV3550 cover steamer machine, which is also called a cover stitch machine. I'm very anxious to get into it and see what's inside. I'm going to unpack it and see what comes straight from the manufacturer. I purchased this prior to Christmas in a promotional sale. So we have a cover stitch manual, which I've been told by people in my Facebook group to make sure I read cover to cover, and watch the video apparently too is really important before I get started. So we have some thread holders, some spare needles, another foot, and some long nose tweezers, which I'm sure I will be using a lot of. I'm assuming that's for the thread to sit on. We'll find out shortly. Now I'm in New Zealand, so this is a model specifically designed for our power. I'm always curious to see how long these cords are. Okay, so standard length. Nicely packaged, very firm. And there it is. Right, nice handhold. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, gee, it's very heavy. Is a very heavy machine. It's very sturdy. Right, so this machine is a lot heavier than I thought it would be, which is nice. It has come pre-threaded, which is good. I might just do a tie on and pull through method for that rather than having to worry about it. And it's nicely secured for the time being. Come with a test stitch, I'm not so sure about. Oh no, that's good. Nice little test stitch on some cotton drill, I mean. And it all comes nicely packaged up, so it's all secure. Okay, so it actually looks really similar to my commercial cover stitch machine. There's not a lot different. It has got a threading diagram, which is good. Let's have a look at this manual. Okay, so this is the DVD. I've been told I should read up about, watch, and watch again. So it'll be interesting to see later how I get on. And it does come with a cover. just a thin plastic one. I imagine that's going to degrade pretty quickly. And then this pops up. So there we have it. So I'll have a quick look through the manual. Oh, and it comes with a diagram saying don't put the plastic cover on it when you pop it back in the foam. It just looks like a pretty standard manual with it. So there we have it. I'm going to go and have a watch and maybe have a play with my new toy.